higala. So ito yung laman ng ating toiletry. Ang bag na ito ay bigay sa akin ng aking flatmate, no? Regalo niya sa Christmas, no? Ang ganda ng kanyang regalo. So yan lang. So may lipstick tayo, may bronzer at foundation at moisturizer at may extra moisturizer, lotion, toothbrush, toothpaste. Ayan lang yung dala natin kasi hindi naman tayo mahilig mag-makeup dahil hindi nga tayo malabo nga ang mata. At shampoo, syempre kasama ang shampoo kasi ayaw ko sa shampoo kahit sa hotel at sa kailangan ko talaga may sariling shampoo. So yun yung ating laman ng ating toiletry bag. O diba, napakaganda, diba? Handi kaayo ang hinatag sa akong flatmate, no? I'm so grateful kayo sa hinatag kay napakaganda. Guess pa, o diba? Guess brand, o yan ang regalo niya sa akin nung Christmas. So yan po ang laman ng ating, ready na po yung ating toiletry bag. Ayan. Ayan, yung ating sling bag. Nabili ko to from Tastemaker ng USA, no? Napadala to sa Pilipinas. Ayan, so yan yung ating sling bag. Hindi ko siya masyadong gusto kasi siya matigas. O ayoko sa yung gusto ko yung malambot, yung leather as in leather talaga. Bag, no? Talagang I'm so grateful with this tote bag kasi maraming mailagay ko. So yan lang ang ating mga isang suitcase lang yung ating bagahe, mga higala. Alright, see you! Cruise ship Pacific Explorer. I'm so excited! Yan talaga, no? Pag magsikap ka, maghanap buhay ka, kailangan mo rin mag-holiday. Kay dili na lang, kay puro na lang kag ipon-ipon og kwarta niya, di ka maglipay-lipay. Siyempre maglipay-lipay puto panagsa, di ba? Okay, mga higala. Thank you so much. So yung Madam Sitang in South Korea. The way to airport na, Madam Sitang. See you, South Korea. Ito mga kita KFC, guys. That is one day if I win the lottery. Malapit na kami sa airport. Ayan na ang airport. Hello! Right guys, boarding na po ang mga higalan, no? Ayan, no? Ayan na siya. Excited na si Peter mag-wander around. Ooh. Ayan mga everybody, no? Dito na po kami sa cruise.
I will meet you soon. 116.
Dito na po kami. Your picture would be here. Happy Peter. 1611163. Almost there.
What cabin are you looking for?
Inong dako oy. Oh.
Son? Yeah. Mom.
Happy Peter. 1611163. Almost there.
What cabin are you looking for?
Inong dako oy. Oh.
Son? Yeah. Mom.
Because that's the time we all the bars are open.
Ayan guys, welcome to my vlog.
position to immediately visit your muscle.
Diba ang ganda? Ooh! Yeah. Guys, diba no? Pilipina, bisag asar pa dong ba? Yeah. Piano Cruises. Guys, babalik na tayo sa loob, no?
Yeah, you do, like going back and forth to you. It's good to have the laundry on here. If you want to
Ayan mga gala, balik tayo sa room namin kay andun si Peter. Layo pa yung bakta sa nako. Good. Darling? Ayan, balik na tayo sa room guys. Alright. Hi darling. Hoy.
Yeah, she's very happy.
There.
Cole from Mac.
Yeah.
Yeah, so so
Back in the room.
That was the so then food bank would be on the bottom as well. Yeah, right. So they wanted,
Shower room ulit.
yeah, there was all sorts
Here you go.
of things. There'd be other parties as well. But anyway, they definitely which from the churches.
Alright, thank you so much. That's my day one here at our piano cruising. Okay, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share, comment kayo guys. So, yan. So,